Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add notes to favorites on Instagram. So that's guys, actually is impossible. It's not available on Instagram to add a note to favorites on Instagram. This feature is just released 2 years ago, I guess, or 3 years ago. So for example, when you tap on your Instagram app and you get in, and right here I just want you to go into this icon of DMs. So right here you can find the notes of the people that you have on Instagram. So for example, this note. Alright, so let's go into this note. So by tapping on this note, there is no option right here that can allow us to add the note to favorites, to our favorites on Instagram, but you can react on it and you can reply to this note, and also you can like it, and that will not make this note to go into your favorites on this app. So, what I advise you to do is to take a screenshot, for example, just like that one, and then you can just go into your DMs and type your Instagram right here, your name on Instagram right here, and after that you can go and share the notes with the screenshot with yourself, and you can type something like this is one of my favorites notes to remember that. So this is the only option right now, guys, on the Instagram. This is the only solution. I hope that video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with yourself, or I mean with your friends. Sorry, and bye bye. See you next video.